What's up guys, and welcome back to TechRage. Now, a lot of people are watching what they're spending. So everyone wants a performance PC, but they might be on a bit of a budget. So if your budget is £500 or even $500, this PC will be ideal for you to get maximum performance for your money. Okay, so here we go. Let's go through all of the components for this £500 build. We've got the Thermaltake H110. This is a micro ATX with plenty of room, and it coming at £38. You know, it's just amazing that you can pick up cases so cheap these days. But what the best bit is, it's got a window on the side. 38 quid case, and it's got a window on the side. It's got a USB 2 and a USB 3 on the top, with also your headphone and microphone jack. It's also got a 120mm exhaust fan on the rear for all your cooling. Now, I took out the hard drive bay to make a bit more room, but obviously this is down to personal preference. We're going to be rocking the H110M-S2H. Well, obviously. Again, this is a budget board, but it does support 6th and 7th gen processors. With all this, we've got an i3 6100, should be perfect for a gaming PC. When you're installing this, don't forget to line up the little arrow in the bottom left with the one on your motherboard also at the bottom left. We've got some HyperX Fury RAM, 8GB of goodness, should be perfect, and it also leaves one more RAM slot in the future for some upgrading. Don't forget to put in your IO shield. Get everything ready for it to go in. Powering all this power is a 500 watt EVGA power supply. This coming at £37, so again, it's good value for money. And to power all those pixels, we've got an EVGA SSC GTX 1050. Now this should be perfect for what we need. Quite a good looking card, quite a big card with plenty of cooling with the dual fans. So I went with an SSD. Now for a budget build that's not too bad, but I just couldn't go back. Once you've used an SSD you really won't want to go back. The speed improvements are so much better. Now although this is only 128GB, I'd rather have that for the operating system and maybe your favourite game than just have a regular SATA drive running everything a bit slower. So with a bit of cable management and a bit of housekeeping, we're good to go. The £500 system just pushes every sort of department and every component of the build, you know, as much as your pocket will allow. So what I like about this system is if you've got a spare 10, 20, 30 pounds, dollars, whatever, you know, you can just upgrade each individual part the way it suits you most. Personally, I'd probably upgrade the cooling first, and then obviously your hard disk drive to put extra games on, and you know, maybe a few more fans here and there on the case as well. Not forgetting the second 8GB DDR4 RAM. All in all, I think the whole build looks really good, and having the window on the side, everyone can see inside the case. And with that big graphics card and the red SSD, you got your HyperX Fury RAM, just the whole lot looks really professional. Nobody would know that this is a £500 gaming build. So there we have it. £500 of gaming goodness. Everything you need, everything will be linked in the description below. Prices, links, descriptions, all you need. In future, let me know what you guys would like to see. Maybe a Ryzen build for the red team. Okay guys, Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, leave in the comments below what you think about this build or what you might have changed or improved or done a little bit differently. I think we've all got our own personal preferences, but let me know below, and we'll see you guys next time.